Alright, yet another plane coming in for landing. Ooh. Ooh. Don't want to get the view off the plane. We want the view of the plane. Full, and I'm on full zoom. So. Legs getting stiffer, but feeling it. Seems to be a Boeing plane. You can tell by like the wing lights, it's flashing once. However, Airbuses usually flashes twice. They should flash twice if it's an Airbus, because Airbus planes flash twice. That's how the lights work. It's a pretty cool
Keep
phone.
glancing at your camera, make sure you've got it in view.
Oh.
There he is, follow him.
It's in view.
Yeah, follow him. Nice and steady.
What airline is that?
Follow.
Oh, it's Virgin. Plane, I can't really identify it. Oh, a little bit of wobble. Oh, nice landing. Using the reverse thrust, I'm pretty sure. Then pushing all that water back. That's what. Or it's either smoke from the landing. Because, you know, landings do usually give us smoke.